The Rural Health Information Hub's Am I Rural tool can help you determine if your location is considered rural based on different definitions of rural, including definitions that are used as eligibility criteria for federal programs. To find the rural status of a specific location, type in the address and click Locate. The Am I Rural tool will bring up a map that shows the address you entered. Click Run Report to learn more. The tool lists your location's status for a range of rural definitions. You'll also see information on your location's eligibility for the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services Rural Health Clinics program. And finally, whether it has a health professional shortage area or medically underserved area or population designation. You can download or print your report using the controls in the upper right. Let's go back and try another location. Am I Rural searches based on a specific point on the map, so the more exact your address, the better. However, you can search at the town level as well. Let's try Maryville, Missouri. Because I didn't specify the state in my search, there are several potential matches listed. Let's click on the Maryville in Missouri. You'll see the map switch to the selected town, with the marker placed at an arbitrary point within the town chosen by the Am I Rural system. You can run the report for the point indicated on the map, or you can adjust to get closer to your specific location. Let's zoom in closer by clicking the plus icon. Note that the plus and minus buttons are not available on mobile. Use the pinch to zoom gesture instead. You can also move the map by clicking and holding down your mouse while moving the map. Say you were planning to start a program at the Eugene Field Elementary School in Maryville and wanted to know if that location was considered rural. You can drag the marker to move the pointer to that exact spot. Now click Run Report. Here is the result for this school's location. At any time, you can click the back button or the Am I Rural link to go back to the search page and adjust your location. You can also allow the map to find your location using this icon in the upper right. In the lower right, you will see an option to display the census tract boundary for your selected location. Am I Rural results within the same census tract will be the same. Sometimes moving your location just a small distance can make a difference. This would be helpful if you don't already have a fixed location for your program. Click the slider to turn on the census tract information. You can also turn off the location information here, or turn it back on. These controls are not available on mobile. To remove past matches, click the X by each, or click Clear All. For more information about the tool, how it works, and information about the definitions included, select Help. Help is also available within the report. We hope that you'll find this tool useful in determining if your location is considered rural. Please contact us for additional information or assistance using the Am I Rural tool.